Alright, so starting on the home page, there's two ways to access the Display Cases page. First, you can go to the Products tab and then select All Display Cases. Or you can simply scroll down and see the Display Cases window and click View. Once we're on the Display Cases landing page, you'll notice a few action items to the right. There's the Contact Us button, the Save button, and the Share This Page button. Scrolling down, the next thing you'll see are 6 tabs with the 5 major display case types. First one being All Display Cases, Excel Merchandisers, Insight Merchandisers, Reach-In, Self-Contained, and Specialty Merchandisers. Underneath that, you'll see the search bar. Underneath that, you'll see how many results are in the search as it stands right now. And then to the right of that, you have the ability to select how many results you see per page. Now, one of the most useful features on this page is the Filters tab. Clicking the down arrow expands the Filters tabs, revealing the different options. The first option being Case Department, Retail Type, Case Function, Case Temperature, and Case Type. Be aware that the 5 major case types in the tabs across the top are not in the Filters tab. So, using the Filters tab, if I wanted to select a frozen service case, I would simply click the Frozen box and then click the Service box. And then I would be left with my results, the Q1LS or the Q1LC. Now, to remove the filters, you simply uncheck the box or select Clear All Filters. Another cool feature about the Filters tab is that every time you make a selection, it saves this selection as a different URL or web address. So if you find yourself searching for the same cases all the time, simply bookmark the URL to your web browser, and then the next time, just click on your bookmark and it'll take you right to your results. Now, another important feature on the page is the Search tab. The Search tab and the Filters tab work hand in hand. So you'll notice if I type in IC2, the Filters tab becomes much shorter based on what I've typed in the search bar. Now, once I have my results, I have the option to compare my results. To compare the results, you simply click on the check mark, and you'll notice at the bottom, it shows the cases that you've checkmarked. To compare the cases, you simply click the Compare button. Once you're on the Compare Products page, you'll notice at the top the cross sections, the case departments next, case function, case temperature, and case type. If you want to zoom in on the dimensions on the cross section, you simply click on the magnifying glass. When you hover your mouse over the cross section, you'll notice that the dimensions become much larger and readable. To exit out of this, simply click the X. If you were wanting to know just the difference between the cases you're comparing, uncheck the Commonalities box. Once you've figured out which case you would like to view, just simply hit the View Details button. This will take you to the product's product page. You'll see things like features and benefits, options, a tab for viewing product support, and 2 other tabs, product specifications and resources. If I expand the product specifications tab, you'll see the case department, case function, case temperature, and case type. If I expand the resources tab, you'll see different files such as the product sheets, the data sheets, installation and operation manuals, and the CAD drawings. Now you'll notice on the right, there's 2 action item tabs. The first one, the ribbon, is the saved icon, and the second one is the download icon. By clicking the download icon, it'll download directly to your computer whichever file you've selected. If you would like to save the file for later viewing or to email to someone, just simply click the ribbon. You'll notice at the top, it now shows that I've saved 3 items. When I click on the saved icon, it'll take me to the saved pages. There's a few options within the saved pages. You have the option to select all, select none. You can remove any selections you've made, or you can email them to anyone that you would like. To select any of the files, you simply click on the blue circle to the right. Say I wanted to email these to myself or a colleague. Just click the email button and it goes directly to your email. Once your email opens, you'll notice that it inserts the hyperlinks to the pages or files directly into your email body and is now ready to be sent to whoever you'd like. If I would like to remove all my saved pages, I simply select the ones I want to be removed and hit Remove Selected. Now it shows me I have 0 saved items. To get back to the Display Cases page, simply click on the Products tab and then hit the All Display Cases. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen that it still has the display cases that I wanted to compare. To clear these, simply click the Clear All button. And always remember, at the bottom of every page is the ability to contact us with any questions or concerns you might have. I hope with my help, you'll be searching for display cases much faster and much easier. Happy searching and have a great day.